How to change your date of birth on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your date of birth on TikTok. Firstly, make sure that you are updated to the latest version of the app. To do so, head over to your Play Store and search for TikTok. Once there, you'll get an interface like this once you tap on TikTok. So, if your app isn't updated to the latest version, you'll get a little update button instead of this open button that you can see on the screen right now. Now, once you have done so, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. You can head over to profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Now, once on your profile, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will get the three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy, and now go to Account. Once on Account, go to Account Information, and here you can see your information regarding your phone number, your email, your date of birth. Now tap on Date of Birth and you can change your date of birth right here. Now since I recently changed my date of birth, I don't have access to change my date of birth again for 30 days. So you can read right here, you recently changed your date of birth and must wait a while before you can edit it again. So this way you can edit your date of birth on TikTok. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.